Welcome to my video here. This is 2024 Wagoneer Jeep. I believe this is 2024 with 1,000 miles. This is its interior. Nice interior, heated seats. If we jump up here, there's touchscreens. There, yeah, and nice weather, and then nice car, and doors, and then if we come up to the back seat, nice back seat, we have package, sorry. We have 7 seats, I believe. We have 3 seats back. 2 airports there, and it's dark. We don't have any light, do we? So we have 2 starters here, 2 starters here. Over here, there's car import. This is my card. Could pull its computer side hose, and yeah, this is the inside, back side. This is comfy, very comfy. And then spacious area. And then this is really good. Recommended. Good SUV when you're traveling. It's a 2024, but this is a good car here. Yeah, we go on 12-hour road trip on this thing. Let's go see if they make this thing make it. Peace. Like and subscribe.